Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2024 Mazda CX-90. This Mazda is powered by all-wheel drive, 3.3-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 6,896 miles. Unleash the luxury and dynamic performance of a 2024 Mazda CX-90. Thoroughly inspected, low mileage, and packed with cutting-edge features. Take advantage of this bargain and drive away in style today. This pre-owned CX-90 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, push button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, cooled seats, third row seating, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Mazda CX-90 is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, head-up display, smart device integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light, parking sensors. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.